phone system. Don't get involved.
Hey, could I please have a touch of the clipboard?
No.
Well, I say put the clipboard in the bin, because I hate the clipboard.
What did you say?
I said I hate the clipboard, and I hate this place.
Please don't have said that.
You don't mean that. He doesn't mean that.
Which one's your good ear?
I don't know about that. I'm a train.
Now,
Now, how
wrong with
about
you?
we take a trip?
What are you talking about? We didn't even go anywhere.
let's get out of this disgusting corpse, shall we? I need to finish my visual inventory.
Oh,
I'm sorry, that place doesn't exist anymore.
What? Well, what happened to it?
Just shriveled up, I reckon.
Well, where can we go? Can't you suggest somewhere?
Okay, back home it is. In
Well, no.
3 seconds,
So-
make a
hold on.
sharp U-turn.
Look, we're not going home. We're going somewhere else.
Hold on, you're making a mistake. What about chick, chick, chick? You should just go home. Home, Dad, horse.
are you meant to do that?
Such comfortable seats, I might have a seat.
And I found this guy in the road.
What? No, get him out. Get him out. Where are you going?
Ooh, rock.
See, there you go.
I don't like my window. When I look out through it, it looks back in through me.
Fancy. And even thrown in a house pet. They'd like to welcome you with a gift. What could it be? Oh, it's a rat. Some kind of worthless animal.
What? What the hell are you doing?
Look, it's that pathetic vehicle person from before.
Where are we?